Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Neiah Shillong haringkat ka Jinghikai ban ka office jong ulat ka jela. Habakran berkilat pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club. Ha khat khana direk jeliu araja arpusan. Kilaong berkilat ban penlong dagi program ai Jinghikai bekerpang bat kicing batai. Halor ka jiran kam bat kicing mentoy jong ka yoga. Nadu ubnai leber hajar arpusan. Kajing penlong ikini ki program kalong ru kum shibenta kajing Pynkhreh nak benda kajing Rakhe ya ka International Yoga Day kaban salong hak arpoi dari ubnai jeliu arajar arpusan. Habo kathup jong ka yoga for one earth one health ka Neiah kala yo ban penong ya ki program ki bapher ki bakantup ya ka yoga countdown event yoga samavesh yoga unplug harit yoga badro ki yo ban sam bat thung arajar arpusan tadi ki tenrai ding kum shibenta ban penne ya ka mariang kani ki jing penong ya ki program halor ka yoga kan ya solang bat ka program ka bakham kerpang ka yoga sangam kaban salong haka arpoi dari jeliu araja arpusan ha convention hall nehu ha ka bashia jarngut kinang shibenta kiniranlang ha ka tugasngi
Media. My name is A1 Jinghikai, Deputy Director at the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shillong. I am here on behalf of the institute, and I would like, before we start our press conference, I would like to introduce my colleagues. To my right is Professor Dr. Vijay Kumar, who is the Director of the institute. To his right is Dr. Pradeep Mohule, who is the Organizing Secretary of our International Day of Yoga. To my left is Dr. Pramod Kumar Singh. He is the chairperson and as well as the nodal officer for the IDY 2025. And to his left is Dr. Verity Markhap, who is a faculty member and a member of the committee which is organizing the International Day of Yoga 2025. We have called this press interaction with all the members of the press. And before we start, I would like to thank the president of the Shillong Press Club, M. Sangshai, for his kind gesture in allowing us to have this press conference. I also thank all of you for having taken out your time to listen to what we have to say. Primarily, this press interaction is for the International Day of Yoga 2025. This is the 11th edition of the International Day of Yoga. And this year, we are having it at a very large scale. I will leave that to our director, Professor Vijay Kumar, to elaborate, after which I will request Dr. Pradeep Mohule to elaborate on the activities which we have taken in the whole state of Meghalaya. We had undertaken many activities within the state of Meghalaya which to enhance and to propagate the importance and the benefits of yoga. He will be talking about that in English. My colleague on the left, Dr. Pramod Kumar Singh, he will be talking about in Hindi about the activities that we have taken, and then Dr. Verity Markhap will summarize in Khasi.
International Day of Yoga. The Neiah Northeastern Institute of Yoga, Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Maudien Yang Shillong, lembat kajing trelang jong ke Raj Bhavan, ke Office jong lat ke Jela Meghalaya. Nisno kumen berpentip syafi bangi lala ban penlong iki program ki bapher ke bala ai ke Jinghikai bat kumjuk ru ki bawanra ke ki Jinghikai ke bayadai bat kajing pendem kam bat kajing mentoy jong ke yoga ka ban penek ke bat ke kya joni bat kumjuk ya long penlong iki ni program na kum kashi benta na kajing Rakhe kajungi ya ka International Day of Yoga ya ka bangin sa yo an penlong ha ka apoy tarik ubnai jeliu arja arpusan ya kan di lalang khamat na Ministry of Ayush Government of India New Delhi but lasdang ya ka hapo ka program ka baong 100 days countdown of yoga ya ka lasdang nadu ul ber arja arpusan but hapo ni ka thup ka balalang khamat na Ministry ya ka balaong yoga for one earth one health Kania kalau abang penong ki program ki bakan thup ya ka yoga countdown event, yoga samavesh, yoga unplug, yoga harit, bat ka yoga samayog. Kini ki program habang ilala abang penong ki hakishnang bat ki school, bat ki college ki bapher, kilawan ra asishay ki jing mentoy, bat ki Jinghikai, bat kum jaru ya ki jing yarap ya kini ki nong shnong. Ha kini ki shnong kum ha kading yong rasong maudiang diang maulenong bat tum tater. Bat kum jaru la ai ki Jinghikai ya ki habrit kena red kiba kuliah ki school bakunjo ki samla kiba kuliah ki college jang ki namba Shillong bat kunjo kani kajing penlong kajungi ya kani ka program kani ya soalang bat ka program ka bakongsan kata kadi ka yoga sangam ya ka bangin sa penlong ha ka akui tarik arjar akusan ya ka bangin ya penlong ha ka convention hall Nehu Shillong bat nitmu bakandang kajing ya dan lang kajang kumba siya jarut ki nang shimbenta ki baniadam ti number ni hak te kasni kani kating persang kalong kum mau jang ba thamma ni kum ka institute bangila ban play ki la bangina pun plan shu ke rukam ai jing somar ki jangi bat kum ju ru ban manra e ka jingya tali ka jingya sutu jing lang bat kham tam ban ka jing thrang ka jangi ban penne e ka mariang haba ya kran chipang ka jang penne e ka mariang ilala ban thmu ban thum bat ban sam hauni usnam anjar akusan kumba anjar akusan tali ki tin riding ha ki shang ki prepare ha ki institute prepare jongta no ba chalong ka jangi ti hagaba khat mo ngi khat snow pha ya ki ba ro ki pat ba ki nong shang shnong ba kum ju ru ya ki la ka thai ku bo ba pinya dan dan talam ba banya sno ti dam ba ni ba ni penlong ya ketika program yoga sangam ha ka aku tarik u jilio ajar aku san ha kai convention hall ni hu shillong ku place ko
and plants kalau planet home. One health means the state of the environment have direct impact of our health as well. Everyone benefits when we take care of our environment and ourselves. International Day of Yoga has successfully completed 10 years. And in 2025, we are celebrating the 11th International Day of Yoga is truly global and inclusive manner. Yog Sangam, the main International Day of Yoga event will be orchestrate a synchronized mass yoga demonstration based on common yoga protocol at over 1 lakh locations across India at 21st June from 6:30 am to 7:45 am. The national event will be led by the Honorable Prime Minister at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Our Honorable Ayush Minister Shri Pratap Rao Jadhav and Honorable Secretary Padam Shri Rajesh Kotita ji have been continuously monitoring the events. The Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, Shillong, collaboration with Raj Bhavan, Meghalaya, is also gearing up to the celebrate Yoga Sangam at New Canvas. We are expecting a gathering of almost 10,000 people from different organizations who will be performing yoga. As a part of celebration, number of activities have already been conducted. The details of which will be elaborated by our group member or team. At last, I am requesting to your esteemed organization, to all the people of Meghalaya to take part in this major event, their respective place to make a grand success, and also requesting you to join us and give wide publicity. I would like to thank you all for having us here this noble cause. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Among that, according to the target group, we have arranged so many yoga demonstration or the common yoga protocol according to the target population. So under that, for mental wellness, we have done mental wellness institution at Pynkhreh, Shillong. Along with that one, we have already done the yoga protocol at Rilan Children Home, Shillong. Under the same banner, we have organized the protocol at Observation Home, Maukasiang by the District Legal Authority, East Khasi Hill, Shillong. Also, we have target population for the school. For that, we have covered BK Bajoria School, Shillong, Holy Cross School, Nonnesong, Shillong. Along with that one, St. Francis Assisi Senior School, Maukasiang, Shillong. And we have already has been also tied up with the other institute for the workplace wellness also. Under that, we have done yoga protocol for the NIT Sohra, R&D headquarter BRO Shillong, and next some days we are planning for the NIFT, NIT and High Court Shillong also. So, and we have the program that is Yoga Samavesh and Harit Yoga, targeting specially the iconic places of the Meghalaya. In that one, we are covering the tourism yoga or the yoga trek under that one. So, we have covered Sohra, Cherrapunji, Malki Forest, Shillong, Maulinong, Asia's cleanest village, Maulinong, Meghalaya. Along with that one, Living Root Bridge, Rewari, Meghalaya, and we have done the yoga protocol at Living Root Bridge, riverbed of the Liling Court, Meghalaya, and then we have also target of doing yoga protocol at Arvaha Cave, GSI, planning there Arvaha Cave, Sohra. Along with that one, we are having the specific activity of the Harit Yoga, in which we are, according to as our director sir has said, this is 2025, and we are planning for planting 2025 plantations at various places. We have already completed the targeted medicinal plant garden at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Along with that one, we have done plantation at our senior resident hostel, Neiah, and today the team already has started the plantation program at Central Agricultural University, Jinghikai, Revolt. And the plantation plant is there, Assam House, CBI campus, Shillong. So we are doing that much of activity, and the grand event we are planned at Convocation Hall, Neiah, Shillong, along with the all collaborated institute by along with the collaboration of the Rajbhavan, Shillong.
Director would like to add one more statement.
Just one clarification. Okay, in whole Meghalaya, by more than 20 yoga camp, I think participate more than 10 to 20,000 20 yoga camp. But in Mega event, which is run 21st June in Neiah campus, I think almost 1,000 people gathering from different organizations.
The participants for the Yoga Sangam on the 21st, they will be mostly, because since it's early in the morning, we are expecting participants mostly from Shillong only. Of course, our own students, faculty, staff of Neiah. We are expecting about 300 NCC students of NSS. We are expecting students from Kendriya Vidyalaya. We are expecting the Jawans from BSF, the Jawans from CRPF, the Jawans from Assam Rifles, and other central organizations. We have written to 45 central and state organizations to take part along with us on the 21st of June 2025 at 7 a.m. As part of this program, Neiah is planting 2,025 saplings in various locations in the state of Meghalaya as part of this International Day of Yoga. It is an initiative basically to integrate yoga with environmental consciousness. We strongly believe about that. That's why we are planting 2,025 saplings of trees and different medicinal plants within the state of Meghalaya.